When it's God's plan, nothing can stop it. Not the setbacks, not the betrayals, not the delays. When He writes your story, no enemy can erase it. No obstacle can destroy it. You might face storms, you might walk through fire, but remember, the fire is not there to burn you, it's there to build you. It's not there to break you, it's there to reveal your strength. Doors will slam in your face, people will walk away, and the world might doubt you. Let them misunderstand you, underestimate you, and laugh at your dreams, because the one who called you already prepared the way. What's meant for you will find you, no matter how hidden, no matter how impossible it seems. Trust the process, trust the pauses, trust the pain. All of it is shaping you for what's already yours. Every delay is divine protection. Every disappointment is hidden redirection. The world can scream impossible, but when God says move, mountains bow down, oceans split, and chains break. Keep walking, keep fighting, keep believing. When it's God's plan, the victory is already written in your name. Nothing and no one can stand in your way. Your destiny is bigger than their doubts.